how to mention someone in WhatsApp status on iPhone as well as on Android. So if you are using the latest WhatsApp on your phone, either on Android or iPhone, then you'll be able to mention someone or tag someone on your WhatsApp status. And this person will be notified that you just tag them to a particular WhatsApp status. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are running the latest WhatsApp application, either Android or iPhone. So go ahead, open the App Store on your iPhone or iOS, and then Play Store on Android. Then go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp Messenger and make sure you update the WhatsApp application to latest version. So go ahead, update the WhatsApp app to latest variant. Now, once you're done doing that, the next one to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. So once you open the WhatsApp application, go back to the updates or status. Then update your status on WhatsApp. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and select whatever I want to update as my status here. Just like this. Now, to mention someone on your WhatsApp status, you should see @ So tap @ and then select the person you want to tag. So you can also search for the person you want to tag here. Then go ahead and click on add at top right. Then you should say 2 contacts selected. Then you can now go ahead and add your caption if any, and there's none. Click on send. Then this status will be sent like this. You can see just now. Now the tagged WhatsApp account will be notified. You see that? You mentioned this. There you can see I just got mentioned in the particular WhatsApp status. You see that? So that is basically how to mention someone in WhatsApp status, either you're using iPhone or Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.